Hey guys, this is Jeff from Adirondack Woodsman. Hope you're all having a great day. Today we're going to put this slab on the mill. It's a walnut slab, and I have a customer that would like me to do a 12-inch cut this way so that they can use it as a mantle. They're not using the whole thing. They're only pretty much using 5 feet. I'm going to go all the way through and let them pick the 5 feet that they want. My only concern, and I don't know if anybody else has experience with this, is right here, if you can see the grain. I'm hoping, because my cut, even though the laser mark is there, it's going to be about an inch below that. I'm not sure if hopefully this doesn't blow out at all. This is a fairly dry slab, but it's not completely dry. I told them they need to dry it a little bit longer. But at this point, I'm going to get this thing cut and off to them, and I'll let them pull the 6 feet out that they want. The top piece will just be scrap for firewood, I guess. And what I did to level, they wanted 12 inches. I kind of did an estimate from here up to here being 12 inches. I had a mark there. And then the same on this side, and I just put the laser up so that I could level it. I double checked it with I knew the mill was level, but just to double check it, I put a ruler or a tape measure and measured up from there to make sure it was accurate, and it is. By the way, I'm using my, a Bosch LT35HD, not sponsored by these guys. I've just used it a lot, and it works pretty good. It's a self-leveling laser, and so that's helpful. I'm going to be using my LT35 Woodmizer wood mill. I had one issue. I've had mice. Usually I have a cover over this thing. I've had the mice kind of trying to get up in there, and I've been trying to keep them out, but they did some damage to the pre-filter. I'm going to run the mill without the pre-filter just because I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of milling here, and it really is just to keep the filter clean as well. And I'll order a new one and get that put in. But in the meantime, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all watching. I'm at, I think, 672 subscribers last I looked, so I'm getting close to that 700 number. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day. So we got about 11 inches there, 12 inches there, 12 inches almost, 11, 12. So it's This should work out well for them. Like I said, I'm just hoping that there isn't any issues here, because there was a knot. I'm hoping that this doesn't break apart or anything. But yeah, that should make a nice mantle for them whenever they take the 5 feet out. And probably if they really wanted to, they could, well, I guess not. I'd have to probably cut it differently if they wanted to move the 5 feet down. But I think they were looking from this on. They wanted to capture, whoops, see if I can get it. They wanted to capture this knot for character. So that would bring, man, I'm having trouble with this tape measure. Doesn't want to stay attached. Let's try this again. Oh my goodness. Let's go on top of it. So basically 5 feet goes to about here, but they wanted to capture that knot and they liked that character. I think this will work out nice for them overall. So now we'll unclamp this and put it in the trailer. This was actually initially a 2-inch slab. It's probably lost a little bit. No, it's just over 2 inches, like 2 1/4 maybe. But it wasn't enough to clamp. I had to put a board in between, which you sometimes have to do because a clamp doesn't go all the way. The hydraulics only allows it to go a certain distance. So let's move that back a little further. We'll set that guy down. Put my sides down. As you can see, there's some marks here from where I had it sticker stacked, but you can see the character here in this piece. Really was a nice slab. And if they decide to stand this up, turn this over, they could use this side as well, but there's less walnut dark color on this side, so I think they were planning to use the other side. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of it, go ahead and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.